Hello, welcome to part 6 where we continue our look at traditional marketing tools. You could get influencers to review. Give or send sample sizes of products to those who are in a position to review them. Look for people who have clout and credibility, such as celebrities, professionals, or experts whose feedback and endorsement will persuade or influence customers to buy the product. Flyers and leaflets. This can range from simple flyers to more elaborate pamphlets that also detail product specifications and give in-depth information about your product or service. They can be an important aid for representatives, agents, and others that you rely on to promote your service. They can be particularly important if the transaction will be of high value, so the purchaser may want to consult with family members before making a decision. Examples of this might be a course of study, a home improvement, or even a new home. Billboards are outdoor display advertising designed to promote product to motorists and pedestrians. There are also opportunities to promote product on buses, taxis, bus shelters and digital screens. Run a competition. This is a great way for people to learn about your product, to promote your brand and raise your profile. You can ask questions as part of the competition, so people need to learn about your product to enter. Make sure you give them the information they need in a readily accessible format. You could give away samples of the product, or cash prizes, or a discount with your company. Get testimonials from satisfied clients and publicise them. This is a powerful way to promote a new product or service. Get your customers to give you a great review that you can share in store, in print, or online. This is very effective if you have offered a discount, upgrade, or free preview to customers. People will be more likely to try a new product or service if there's a good review from another customer. Use events such as a one-day promotion or a free drink or open evening. Hosting an event is a great way to get people into your business physically. This creates a personal bond and a loyalty with them and makes them more likely to become a repeat customer. Events can be very simple, perhaps just an open house or an information session. This is effective in businesses like hairdressing, nail or beauty salons, fitness centres, yoga studios, spas, and retail stores. You must ensure everyone who attends gets personal attention from a member of staff. Branded promotional gifts. Giving away functional branded gifts can be more effective than handing out simple business cards. Put your business card on a calendar, memory stick, pen, notepad or keychain. Give them to your customers as gifts that they will use every day, keeping your business at the front of their minds rather than in a card holder with other business cards they may never look at. Offer special deals. You can create a sense of urgency or capitalise on fear of missing out by offering a time-limited deal while stocks last or this week only. Here are some promotional ideas you could consider. A cost reduction or discount. Buy this, get that free. Sometimes this is a good way of selling products through that is sticking if you bundle it with something new. Bog off, as it's known in the trade, or buy one, get one free. 3 for the price of 2. If you offer a selection here, stipulate that the cheapest item is free. Warranties, a limited time offer of an extended warranty, either free or discounted. This demonstrates confidence in your product. Rebate. Here the customer has to claim a discount after the purchase has been made. This can increase sales, but it can be very cost effective as the take-up of this kind of offer is very low. Most customers neglect to claim the rebate. Offer a discount. This can take many forms, from a straightforward price reduction, now only X dollars, right through all the other offers we talked about under special deals, 3 for 2, bog off, etc. Back soon with even more ideas for you.